The Beaufort County School District is now implementing a clear bag policy for all high school and middle school athletic events.
The policy is designed to help keep all fans and student athletes safe. Clear bag policies are standard practice at colleges and university events across the nation, and a growing number of school districts in South Carolina are adopting the policy as well.
The clear bag policy that our district will be enforcing entitles each ticketed spectator to carry 2 clear tote bags. Measurements for those tote bags are 12 inches by 6 inches by 12 inches. Also, you can carry a 4.5 by 6.5 inch clutch in the tote if you have one of those as well.
A clear tote bag is not required in order to carry small permissible items, which should be carried in a pocket, such as keys, wallets, and cell phones.
Each school will be selling clear bags. They'll be $10 a piece, and they will be sold at the ticket gate for each athletic event on campus at each respective school. Fans can also bring their own clear bags or Ziploc bags, so long as those bags meet the district's requirements.
If an individual cannot use a clear bag due to medical concerns, they will have to speak with a designated gate administrator, and the medical bag will be searched.
Diaper bags can be considered medical bags. The only bag that is allowed into a sporting event that is not a clear bag will be a searched medical bag, and each person that has bags such as that, it will be tagged with a wristband or something so that we are aware it has already been searched.
Anyone found at an athletic event with a non-clear bag will be required to leave the event immediately.
Again, the clear bag policy is officially started and will be enforced at all high and middle school sporting events. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your school or district office.